Hello and welcome to this Trigger 2-minute tutorial, and today I'm going to walk you through the installation process if you decide to license Trigger using the remote licensing option. Now, in order to do that, you must have already obtained your license key from me and have that available to you. You must also use a special setup file with the server option included. This isn't the setup file that's readily available for download from my website, so you'll need to obtain that setup file from me separately if you haven't got that already. Okay, so you run the setup file in the usual way and you follow the process through. We'll just get rid of that for now and accept the license agreement and use all the defaults. Now, when you come to this page, you must check install remote licensing, and again you've got the reminder here that you must have your license already. You click next to that and we install Trigger in this way, and once you get to this page you must ensure you've got Windows Service and Automatic configured. We'll click Start and then we want to select Configure as a network key. Now you have to enter your key, and I've got mine on my clipboard already, so that's entering that. And then you should then get this message saying service installed and started successfully, and then we can launch Trigger. Now you'll notice when Trigger runs we still get the dialog box telling us that Trigger is not licensed. So we'll run TriggerWorks in trial mode like this for now, and then we go to the environments options page and we select environment preferences, and down the bottom here you need to tick enable remote licensing. We'll click done to that and close Trigger down, and now we'll run Trigger again like this. And when you get this dialog box, you say configure as a network client. Then you click OK to that. It might take a while because it's now connecting to the internet to actually check your license. And there you go. And that's Trigger installed with the remote licensing option. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial and you'll join me next time.